I used to think I wanted to be famous. I'd be recognized out in a crowd. But the funny thing is, every time I've gotten what I want, it lets me down. But now I just wanna look more like love. I just wanna look more like love. This whole world is spinning crazy, and I can't quite keep up. It's the one thing around here that we don't have quite enough of. So I just wanna look a little more like love. I used to think I needed all the answers. I used to need to know that I was right. I used to be afraid of things I couldn't cover up in black and white. But now I just wanna look more like love. I just wanna look more like love. This whole world is spinning crazy, I can't quite keep up. It's the one thing around here that we don't have quite enough of. So I just wanna look a little more like love. I find the farther that I climb, there's always another line of mountaintop. It's never gonna stop. And the more of anything I do, the thing that always ends up true is getting what I want will never be enough. So I just wanna look more like love. I just wanna look more like love. 'Cause this whole world is spinning crazy, I can't quite keep up. It's the one thing around here that we don't have quite enough of. So I just wanna look a little more like love. Like love.